right, guys, Jeff here. In habit number 18, you have to eat more green leafy vegetables. Now, for a lot of you guys, you're like, green leafy vegetables? Yeah, really, green leafy vegetables. Now, there's lots of ways to eat these. You know, my favorite way is in a salad at lunchtime. However, sometimes, guess what I do? I put them in a smoothie. Works great. Now, why do you need green leafy vegetables? Now, they're loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. That's the first thing. But other things it does. Number one, it's gonna help you lose weight. All right. Number one, they're low calorie. All right. But the other thing they do is they basically help turn white fat, which is hard to get rid of, to brown fat. That's good, right? Now, other things that green leafy vegetables do for you, they actually help extend the life of your telomeres. And if you want to age slowly, you want your telomeres to stay long, right? And that's another thing they do for you. Now, the other thing that green leafy vegetables will do for you is it builds great gut health because your gut bugs, all right, you're basically your microbes that make up your great gut health is they have to have something to live in. And this green leafy vegetables, they're loaded with fiber. And that's what these microbes love to live in. All right. Helps decrease your risk for heart disease, cancer, as well as type 2 diabetes. You can't go wrong with it. And like I said, if your number one goal is to get thin for summertime, your number one food has to be green leafy vegetables. All right? Hope that helps. Looking forward to bringing you more health habits as we go.